Always power down and verify zero voltage before you touch any component inside an HVAC unit to prevent electrical shock or injury. Before opening panels, turn off the system at the disconnect and at the main breaker and lock out the circuit if possible to prevent accidental re-energizing. Use a properly rated voltage tester or multimeter to confirm there is no voltage present at the terminals and on capacitors, because capacitors can hold a dangerous charge even after power is removed. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as safety glasses, arc-rated gloves, and insulated footwear, and choose tools with insulated handles rated for the expected voltage. Discharge capacitors safely using a resistor or a manufacturer-recommended tool, and verify the charge is gone with your meter before touching the leads. Keep the work area dry and clear of conductive materials, and avoid working alone so someone can assist or summon help in an emergency. Follow the manufacturer service manual for component-specific procedures and torque values, and document any wiring changes with clear labeling and photos for reassembly. Common mistakes are assuming the disconnect is off without testing, which can be avoided by always verifying zero voltage with a meter and applying lockout tagout procedures to prevent others from restoring power. Another frequent issue is neglecting capacitor discharge, which risks a surprise shock. Always discharge and confirm with your tester and handle capacitors by their terminals only. A third problem is using improper or non-insulated tools, which increases shock risk. Use tools with insulation rated for the system voltage and inspect them for damage before use. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community discussion space where we share experiences and ask practical questions. We help contractors find project leads and homeowners find trade partners while fostering peer-to-peer advice and local recommendations.